Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to teach you how to code with Microbit and how to display LED patterns on a Microbit. So first of all we need to learn what is a Microbit. Microbit is a pocket-sized computer that introduces you to how software and hardware work together. So as you can see here, it has an LED display, buttons and sensors. So when it is programmed, it let us interact with our world and ourselves. So as you can see in this picture, we have two buttons and 25 LEDs. Okay, so what are the uses of a microbit? The microbit can be programmed to do a number of different things. It can be a digital watch, as shown in the picture, a fitness tracker, or a games console. The device features 25 LED lights and two programmable buttons, as you saw in the last picture, which can be used in gameplay or to skip through tracks in a playlist. So finally, when we are programming the microbit, what are the programming languages we can use? Mainly, we can use Python, also JavaScript, and also blocks as shown in the picture. In this picture, it's shown blocks. So, in this video, you are going to learn how to code with blocks. So, without a further ado, let's get into our video. So, to code the microbit, I'll be using this software makecode.microbit.org. So, the link to this website will be in my description box. So, after you go to this website, you can see my projects, and it's empty right here because I don't have any projects. And you can see this new project button. Click on it and name your project. So I'll just name my project like I'll name my project 1. Project 1. Okay, so now we have a page like this, and in here you can see that there are two functions like on start and forever. So on this forever block, you can see once you run a program, this forever loop will repeat the codes forever in the background, as you can see. And this on start, it will run the code when the program starts. You can see the explanations when you hover over the block. So first, let's write a name on this microbit, shall we? So if you head to basics, you can see things like show number, show LEDs, show icons, show string, clear screen, forever, on start, pause, show arrow. So to write our name or anything, you first need to go with show string hello, and you can rename this hello. You can rename it for anything, and I'm just gonna rename it for my name. Now if you click on this run button, now you can see that my name is on this microbit. Now if you go to this JavaScript site, you can see the code has been automated. So when we design a code from the blocks, it will be designed from the JavaScript or as an AI. So we don't have to type the JavaScript code if we just use blocks. So now let's see how we can Draw LED patterns. So if you head to basics again, you can see that there is something like show LEDs. Now you can there are 25 box, and when you click on them they turn white. So these white grids are the LEDs that will be glowed. So like if you run this code, these 5 LEDs would be turned on. You can draw any shape you want, like if you can draw an X, you can draw anything, can draw something like this. So this is what the show LEDs function do. Now you know what this the show LED function and the string function is. So there is also this block called show icons. Let's grab it and drop it here. Now you can see that if we click on it, you can see many icons. There are tons of icons. So like if you click on this, it's a yes, and you can see it on the Microbit. So you can change this to something like this, anything. Now again, if you head to this JavaScript, you can see that icon names dot angry. So this is how you name this icon in JavaScript for coding Microbit. Now let's just delete this and show number. Now if you go on with this, you can see that this is 0 and it's shown in this Microbit. So like if we rearrange this number as 2, you can see that it's shown in the Microbit again. So let's see what else do we have. So in this one we have forever block, it's in the page we have open on start, also in the page. So for this video, this is all you learn. This is like the basics of the Microbit. So yeah, so if you want to upload a code or your Microbit to this code, what you have to do is, like, let's say that you have this code show LEDs and you have designed something like this. Now when we run on it, we can see this. So to display on this, so if you plug your Microbit to a computer, you can see a folder named something like Microbit. So all you have to do is just click download and drag and drop that file to a folder where your Microbit has been placed on your folders. Yeah, so that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching this video.